Not sure where to start with content for your digital signs in school or college? No worries, we have some great ideas for you. To start, display welcome signs at the entrance to make a good impression. This is your opportunity to showcase your values, achievements, and the school's identity. Engage your students with educational content. Why not display fun facts or display short educational videos? Keep your students up to date with current news feeds. In case of an emergency, quickly and easily display real-time alerts to keep everyone safe and informed. Are you hosting a sports day? Have parents' evening coming up? Or are you going on a trip? Promote events around campus to build interest through stimulating and visually appealing content. Make it easy for students and visitors to find their way around with dynamic wayfinding information. No more excuses for being late. Show us what you've done with your digital signs and be featured on our social media.